McKinsey just dropped a report. 50% of white-collar jobs vanish by 2028. Not speculation, not opinion. Fact: Goldman Sachs analyzed 300 million jobs globally. AI already replaced 47,000 paralegals this year alone. Docusign's automation handles contracts faster than 94% of lawyers. That's happening right now. Take Microsoft. They cut 110,000 employees while expanding Copilot across enterprise. Same revenue, fewer humans. OpenAI's latest model writes code at expert level. Github Copilot claims 55% faster development cycles in real teams. That's not future tech. Developers are using it today. Your job posting competition just multiplied overnight. If you process documents, analyze spreadsheets, write reports, research anything, you're on borrowed time. Companies aren't waiting for 2028. They're automating now. Your salary negotiation just got harder. Your career timeline just accelerated. Your inbox probably had an AI email draft sitting in it this morning. The gap between automatable and irreplaceable widens by the week. Learn what AI actually does or get replaced by someone who did. Like and subscribe for more. Zero input AI every day.